when they want some drops to fall from heaven on you today. That's my song, that's my, after listening to this genre, the first thing that came to me was, Lord, let some drops fall. Let them fall on me. Lord, let some drops fall on me. Let them rain down on me. Let them drop. Let them swing so bad. Let them drops. For my life, let it fall on me, yeah. And Lord, let it fall in my life every day. Wall Street made me over again. Lord, pay me a visit. Go through my home, through my body, through my mind. Do what you will. It will be alright. Yeah, let them drops fall. Let them fall, let them fall, let them fall on me. Good God Almighty. I don't know about you, but I feel loud God in here. Good God Almighty. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question, Lord? How can a man make it without you? How can he live without you? How can he go? How can he walk? How can he talk? How can he think? How can he go? How you decide? I don't know. All I remember, good God Almighty, hallelujah. Let the drops fall on me, Lord. And while you walk through the heavens, I want you to remember me. And don't ever pass me by. And all I needed was your life. All I needed was your life. And you let your drop fall. You let your drop fall on me. Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I said, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. For you let the drops fall on me. And you did not over with me. You came by my way and see. It's that you drops on me. That you drops fall on me. Drop fall on me. Let it fall on me. Let it fall on me. Fall. Rest on us. Rest on now. Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty. Lord, you deserve all the praise and worship and the honor, the power, and the glory is in thee. Everything we need is in thee, O Lord. Is in thee, O Lord, do I lift up my heads. Is in thee, O Lord, that I have my strength, my being, my power, my might is because of thee. No, not even thinking about necessity, but I'm thinking only on the things that you said that we ought to set our affections on, and that is set our affections on things above and not on things on the earth. And it's because of you, Lord. I need your touch, need your rain, need your power, need your drops to fall in my direction. and fall on me. Yeah, fall on me. I don't want to go, I don't want to go. I feel so good here. I feel so good. Fall. Let your presence fall. Let your presence fall on us. Fall on us today. Let it fall on me. Let it fall on me.